Yeah, people, I real bawdacat again. So I say my fans them, bless up on yourself and big up on yourself. First of all, we're gonna say thank you for the condolence and the strength you wanna give to bawdacat. That's what I say so. Blessed love man. Thank you again here. More strength to you, more love to you. All the way. Yeah, fans, as me say again, bawdacat is here. So as me say, I request a little on kindness on a moment like no, you understand me? Please go to the GoFundMe site, donate and share, right? That's something I tell you, I say thanks and blessing here again. So find it in the video then early. Anyway, the video start, you find the link. Yeah. So I just forward out about a cat thing, man. As you say, we not have to pretty up nothing and tell you no, like nothing different. You don't know. I say a total bookings and tour. Straight there. Straight link. bawdacat link same way here. Big up total bookings. bawdacat assessor. You know here. So people are right there, you go and find the link and do what you want to do here. No joke. Right at the GoFundMe site. You see me? Blessed love man. One more time again. You see it? More strength. Me always there strong and fit for no here. Yeah man. Up.
Dirty bad mind, mommy do your so. Be a negative, you just a
Boy, I go alright.
Go help me, brother.
There is the biggest problem where she dead gone left on her.
We
Him
never
boy
get
them.
through. We never get through.
So
and
me
she
tell
pass.
myself say, as she fix this for you, for help the next 3, that's all we alright. Where the problem with we and where problem? Where problem there? Where problem there?
Yeah,
Me
man.
tell myself say, man, I already fix this for cat, you know.
Yeah, man, she have to put you where it is.
Cause when he pass away and did know say never accomplish in journey. So instead I dead grave and do and can do. Me believe in that. Me fucking believe say she do it.
Then me not tell them, so me not tell them every time, so me vigilant, so me worry lady.
Oh, you mean you
I
tell me
rub
agree?
me here and I tell me, say, no worry
No
yourself,
worry.
everything's soon
Everything
alright.
go good.
And that after the whole lady pass, no worry yourself, everything's soon alright. Him not tell me what go happen.
When?
Everything now is soon alright, that me need.
Fair enough.
Yeah, man, that
Fear
me
a
need.
blood clot,
Everything
no.
alright, yeah. And me not tell no lie for me whole lady dead body and
You're
that
mad.
she tell me in my sleep.
Where you da do that for?
Yeah, then you know think me I look out for victory
Oh,
someday.
you mean me out?
Oh, some people feel like say buy me buy this. Oh.
And now you know what make it look like say, well, the man not fi do what him a do now. Drowning people them. Why do some people?
No one do no fuckery in a life, brother. Me no want do no fuckery in a
Some
life.
people
You see me?
really think so.
Yeah. Me no have no hate and no grudge for my people them.
You don't know
Yeah.
what really happen. No for them no know say we know the half. And that's what the thing there. Them no know say we know the half.
Some people don't know that. Yeah, some people, you know.
Such people.
Yeah, some people don't know, so we know. Earth man, earth and something where. The fullness there off, you know. I heard you get that from me.
Yes.
You understand me?
Yes.
So right
And
now,
fullness there.
my fullness not come from her. Yeah, so I don't know if you're another man, you know. A man would tell himself if he might come from England or Canada or America or Pascaya, or, you know, out of another man pocket or whatever. But the earth are the fullness, man. You see it? So and them I get my love from, and them I get my knowledge from. You understand me? So where me are concerned now is just to give love and show love to people. And give the best that me can to people. Yes. So you
The
see,
greatest thing on earth is love.
yeah man, the greatest thing then if me I give away love, me no can't give anything else. Yeah man. Can't give anything else in a life, man. Yeah man. You see where some people think about your army, me will never think that about no one, you know. You understand me, my brother? I not do so.
No, sir.
Cause here one now.
Some way if you think about people is not right.
Brother, a man go home, you know. Without the sugar, you can't sweeten your tea morning in a virtue. And you have to tell yourself, say, Bombard, me no used to this to drink my tea without sugar, you know. And me feel good over my place, you know. Say, yes, Brooks, you know, have no sugar. And that a for me biggest joy. Cause you know the tea no nice, you know. So that a for me biggest joy. For know say you can't find sugar for sweet for your tea.
Oh, me fi happy with that.
But the blood clot to
You
some
were
people,
say you
man.
are my brother or my sister.
Yeah, whether all my neighbor to ass clot, me couldn't feel good about it. That is not a joy for me. Yeah, if you know say you can't find sugar for your tea.
A lot of persons say so.
It's necessary for every man, cause you know every man have to live, you know.
If you think say the man fall rain, you think everybody yard would have wet when
No. For me, we are don't wet up.
Oh, okay.
Because maybe the man will fall here, one of the man will hate me.
Yeah.
So for me, yard don't wet up.
Simple thing.
Yeah,
if a the man fall rain,
Yeah, man. Him want
check
Joe
the
kill me, man.
if everybody yard would
Nah,
have
wet up for me.
He would have wet who for yard.
Him
want
like.
wet.
Yeah.
Yes,
him
no
like.
man.
Yeah, man.
Yes, no man. But you are no man folly. He can tell you say, hunger fall over for me part.
Yes.
He must run out time when it a fall.
You have some people,
you
you know.
want wet up.
You have some people, you know.
Yeah.
Him will come here, so. Him come and him ask you where you are drink.
Yeah.
Yes, and him would take down every beer in a Wendy shop.
Yes.
Give you for drink.
Yeah.
But you want $1,000, no?
Him can't give you that.
Him not plan it.
No. But he will buy you $15,000 worth of beer.
But him not plan to give you
You
$1,000.
$1,000.
Me no know what for him tradition, you know.
Yes. Him like to buy you something for you.
Yeah, but if him so kind,
Yeah.
why him free to give you money?
Me no know.
Then you know think me we have other things can do with the money instead of buy
take
liquor.
me buy them beer then.
Yeah, you know think me would have one tank for that money there to just like how me tank you for this beer. Or even more.
That time more for the money.
Hey.
Because probably me could have used the money and do many more things when me even need
Him
more
nah
than
give
a
you
beer.
money, you know.
No, kind of want you to fulfill your needs.
Him nah give you
Him
money.
don't want you to fulfill your needs. Him only many your wants. Give you one cold beer for drink.
Yeah, man.
That can pussy class stay.
Yeah, man, your, need,
And
your
you
needs
want
no
that.
cover
Your
yet.
needs no cover. You know, say you didn't know if my mattress in a hole.
Hey.
You want one new piece of sponge.
I'm on one new sheet.
Or one pot. So me no good I can't buy one pot with them 15 beer money where you buy.
Eh.
Or 20 beer.
Or 5 pound of rice and piece of bread.
Chicken back.
Yeah.
You know, check that level then.
No.
So if me need pound a day, I just can cook 5 beer.
Yeah. Yeah.
And one time I drink a $15,000 worth of beer. $5,000 not take 5 pound of rice, you know?
No.
You understand me?
And a pound for rice.
Yeah, all right. You understand?
You know when I
Yeah.
do Papa Rock, you use 10 of them buy me beer and pay for beer for me drink. But you not give me one
You
I
know,
do
give me
Papa.
one.
To do what? You don't have no use for this.
No, cause you know if you hungry money. And you know if you buy. what
Make
you
the
need.
shoppy make it, but no
No,
you.
you. Yeah.
Yeah,
Make the
man.
shoppy get all of this.
You know, good way if you look on things, you know? We have to look on things the opposite way, brother. Now look on things just that we are side way, we are going to tell yourself, so, chow. Friend, they all right, man. A man no must try to tell you, say, yeah, what cat? Cat one boot for me, no, man. I'm good afraid to tell you, you know. But you know me and you know me wear boot.
Right.
Car one for me, no?
Yeah. That's big, yeah.
Hey, then you want me to come down to where me have to beg boot?
That's true, man.
That you want.
Yeah.
You want me to beg you eat, you know.
You want me to come down?
Cause when,
You
when,
know, you don't
when,
look good.
when me beg
It
you,
can't
eat,
look good.
When me beg you, you have
Yeah,
something over me.
yeah, it can't look good.
But if you just carry off your own for me.
You know me appreciate the boot. But, and if you carry socks, me appreciate it a lot to just the see. Carry something for me. Yeah, man, nothing wrong with it, you know.
You want me say you love me, no?
No wait for me to beg you something.
That's true, man.
Yeah, man, no wait for me to beg you something. Then Brooks, me can the America
That will
5
never
year and me no see you for 5 year. And when me come where you there,
You don't think me should have pulled my bill for and give you one money?
Right, how you are going to do it? You are going to do it.
Me have that kind of love there in me. Because me know how money we use, you know.
You are going to do that.
So me have that kind of love there in me where me and tell myself, say,
Yeah.
one money
away.
away me I go pull my purse and take out now and
Yeah,
give
man,
to
rich,
you.
man. Right, true.
Then me and you can go have some chalalala time. Then you don't have money can go cover up some of the gap. Because maybe I will pass something you did have to cover up.
You mean maybe you have to have gas
At
to
Jamaica
cover.
this you know it's rough and tough.
You
Maybe
have
all
to
your
have
gas empty light bill or
Yeah,
what?
me tell you.
Me did have to have it.
Me fi tell you.
Me can't tell you that
Yeah,
are my life story, that are my problem.
Yeah.
And me if
Yeah.
can't cover that. So if
Simple.
you give me a money,
Me we know
me
say
will
me fi
use
go
it to
use
cover
it,
that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so life goes on, man.
You not go hear me tell you, man.
Oh, you have to know me bird,
You
man.
not go hear me.
Me can't pour me stress to you, you know, brother. Me understand me, me try to hold my thing inside. You know how much people are call me and I say, Bada, we never know say man so sick. But to respect you how you hold it as a private. You understand me? Because within myself, me I do my best for moms. You understand me? So me think my best will bring her back on foot and no one now if know more than who know already. So me not really have to expose this to you, say man sick and me need this and me need that. You understand me, brother? So right now mom's pass, so me can tell people say mom's pass. You understand me? So when a man not see moms again, no man can understand. So I did tell them say mom's pass out. But telling you say mom's sick is not a must, because moms can be get better. Moms can recover and you never know say moms did sick with it. You
Right.
understand me?
Right.
It's so easy. And so me I say, brother, so I don't like me never know if I want to tell you no, but me I tell myself say me can manage that burden here. Me can take on this. You understand me? Yes, so me
Moms will soon get better.
yes, so me carry till mom's
Moms
up
soon
again.
get better.
So easy man of that me I deal with you know.
Life,
man.
what I say.
So at the end of the day, me still love my fans them and like how them a check about me still, you know. Cause them now say me should have do it, you know. Them a say them like how me hold me composure, hold me own and know say yeah, man I'm sick but you hold it, you know what I say? Yeah man, so it come to the time when me can make people know say man's pass, you know. So people if I say go, and who have to send them kindness and them thanks to me. You know what I say? And them condolence, me still appreciate them. So me I say, brother,
Real
me
talk.
still appreciate them a lot. Everyone
all
will
of
reach
them.
out to me. They just call me and tell me, say, brother, sorry for what happened. Hold your faith, brother. Everything good here.
Yeah, man.
Me thank you, brother. Me thank you a lot. You see
Thank
me
your
I say?
sister too.
Oh, you mean? And me thank all sisters. We turn reach out to me to and say, brother, stay strong here. Up with this, go and drink a beer, bonus split, hold this towards mom's pass. You know what I say? When the thing you do, I'm happy for it, because you know, it's a moment of strength you give me. You know.
Right.
So just the words that you pass to me, that's very precious to me. You understand at the time of this. You understand me, brother?
Very
Yeah, because you
motivational.
know a lot of precious words me send out to people. And
I don't know
people
if I
get
can
it
receive
and
back
them
now.
use
Some.
it and them help them. So
The time now if you
when
get back
me
some.
get back some now, me proud.
Yeah, you have to
Me
feel
feel
proud.
real proud. Me